Hey yo, what up, beautiful Tata people? It's your boy Loco Connect ZA. We're back again with another special Mtata Mchana podcast. Yeah, namhlanje silapha Circus Triangle Mall. Mtata mkhulu wami. Kunjani mkhulu wami?
Khona kunjani?
Akhona mkhulu wami. Igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. Ndi represent Local Connect ZA ndiyacula. But khona le show siyenzayo kuthiwa Mtata Mchana. So kule show sihambe sibuza abantu basemthatha uba wena ungubani, wapi, wenzani, naxa usebulandini ubuya uphumephi, yabo, just abantu bafumana iperspective yoba umthatha indawo enjani. So mkhulu wami nje, first question, ungubani wena mkhulu wami?
Bandithathele chance yoba ndibulele ne. Mna ndingu-Art Nkosi ne. Bathi xa ndibendibiza bathi ngu-Art ke. Nakho i-business yami eziba undibona ndikwi-photoshoot. So ndingu-artist photography. Isiduko ke nguNyawuza kufako lo Hlahlakandelo siqhelekazi uNgqongqoshe ubuya kwesithathu.
Awu
Njengoba ke bhuti ke igama ke ngoku wena wathi uphuma engqeleni kwilali yaseNjezweni
eJezweni
Limpondo
ndikhulele pha icansi bikhona apha umakhulu wami lo tata apha
esibhedlela hayi ndiyakubona ke hayi ke
eJezweni. Okay mkhulu wami, so ndikuvile uba usebenza ngephotography. Abantu xa bekufuna wena mkhulu wami, let's say phaa kumakhasi onxibelelwano, kuthiwa wena ufumaneka kanjani ebhanki?
Okay, ndiyafumaneka kuWhatsApp, ndiyafumaneka kuFacebook, ndiyafumaneka kuTikTok.
Yes, under the name?
Masiqale kuWhatsApp. WhatsApp ke which is 076 298 6103.
6103.
Yes.
I hope they
ku Facebook it's artist photography. Yes, wathi ke khona ATIE.
Okay.
S then photography. Ku TikTok it's Prince Arti Vava.
Alright. Mkhulu. Okay, so let's say last question. Ungumntu ongasemthatha. Uzemthatha. But nje ufuna ukonwaba for the weekend. Ndifuna nje just top 3 group spots zasemthatha.
Okay. Ngokokwami ke nangokolwazi lwami okanye ngokonwaba kwami, I will say number 1 is SMJ Butchery. Kuthi bathi ke bypass. So ngathi number 1. Second one it's Highness. The third one ke ngoku kube se So What. So zezona ndawo ke endingathi ke zindawo umuntu engamsuggest uba xa ifike eMthatha afuna ukonwaba just for a weekend, SMJ, Highness and So What.
Right. Mkhulu wami, ndiyabulela kakhulu. Mna ke just to tell you, kandikuxelela, ndingubhukula wakwaMkhwanazi, umhlobo uHosisida. Sisuka ngapha eLisikisiki, but ke abazali bakha apha eMthatha, ndikhula lapha eNgangelizwe. Yabo.
Danke bhuti,
ndiyabulela kakhulu mkhulu wami.
Cela ke nisubscribe
yes. Make sure niyamfollow umkhulu artist photography.
Please.
Make sure niyamfollow like, share, comment nimvile uthini.
Thank you.
Can you just say one thing? Mtata Mchana podcast. Asifinde
Mtata Mchana podcast.
Akhona sisi wami. Igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. But I go by the name Local Connect ZA. I'm a content creator and a rapper by profession. So khona show esenzayo Mtata Mchana. So we go around Mthatha, sibuza nje abantu ba ongubani, wenzani, and what inspires you okanye nje uzokwenzani apha namhlanje, yabo. Just simple questions asifuna ubabathi, but mostly ongubani, yabo. So wena sisi wami, xa bekubuza abantu ba ongubani, uyothi
Khanya. Okay, uKhanya.
Sename Nkonzo. Ukhanya ngumabani?
Mamjoli.
Oh, yini madoda. Kuthiwa ngibana neNimjoli. Nonina. Kublashe.
Ngoba zintaka zithi joli.
Yes. That's nice. Okay. Mina ngingubhukula uMkhwanazi umhlobo. Sibangaphi eSikisiki, but ke khulele apha eMthatha ndazalelwa apha. But xa ngigodukela apha.
Godukela walapha?
eLisikisiki. Yes. So wena uzalelwe apha kanye?
Ngizalelwe eMount. But ngikhulele apha.
Okay. Kweliphi ikasi yakho?
eChrizane.
Makhambeni. Alright. Ba kuthiwa Tiya Street. Yeah.
Enhla City.
NT. Okay. Yabona yawazi umthatha. Okay. Are you on social media okanye ikhona into oyenzayo by profession okanye student?
Andisisi student andiyintoni. Andikho na social media.
Inkonzo?
Konzo kanjani andikho social media.
Okay.
Igama lami ku-Instagram.
Yeah, like for abantu babafollowishe yabo, like we also like yabo sinabantu abaninzi abasibukelayo, so it's better that way. But nje manithetha nawe abantu ba also go and follow yabo, so that abafuna ukwazi bakwazi.
Oh, hayi.
Like just say handle
andinayo social media
Okanye niyokhangela igama.
ndidlalela i-softball ndidlalela i-soccer ayikho enye into endiyenzayo.
Where do you play?
I-cricket
Yeah, softball.
ndidlala e-University of Fort
University of Fort. So
ne-softball yokini ne-cricket ndidlala e-University of Fort.
so actually you go at University of Fort. Okay, what are you doing? Are you majoring in that?
I'm doing human movement sciences.
Human movement science. Okay, nice. Nimamele, bafundile abantu eMthatha. Okay. Okay, awukagqiba. Oh, uthe ukagqibina na, wait. One last question. Xa uphuma wena, let's say okanye ungumuntu osuka outside of Umthatha. Xa ufuna nje i-vibe culture lapha, i-groove culture lapha eMthatha. I just need 3 groove spots wena ongasuggest abantu babaye kuzo.
Yo, zaphelelwa guys. Okwasweleka la muntu waseSoweto.
Oh.
Zaphelelwa.
PK, RIP timer.
Hayi zaphela.
But so what? So you mentioned so what? Okay.
Highness. Kubiba
Golden.
no se
SMJ.
bypass.
SMJ. So it's a so what? Highness and SMJ. All right. I keep in touch. All right, so have a great day, ne? Sharp.
Akushadwa abakani.
Shomfethu? Ugrand Brian? Sharp Brian. Ekse bra. Igama lami ngilunga mfethu. WakwaMatikane. Bhugula lo umkhwanazi umhlophe uWosisithi. Sibangapha eLsikisiki but khulele lapha eMthatha. Right now ndiza kuwe khona ishow esenzayo Mthatha Mchana podcast. So basically into esenzayo sihambe sibuza abantu balapha eMthatha about bangobani bona benzani and then the culture yabo like i-vibe culture yabo. So I think umuntu wenza but ke sofika up. Okwangoku umntakwethu cela ubuze ungubani?
Yeah bra, uthela noLutho wakwaGonyela uJola lo mphankomo eQengebe utholela umthwakazi.
Oh,
Ndizalwa beCorhana.
yeah man.
Yeah, by profession I'm a carpenter. That's what I do. I do building, kitchens, wardrobes and TV stands, every building thing. Like ngathi interior designer.
So icarpenter ngesixhosa kubantu basekhaya bangayaziyo
umsebenzi wamaplanga.
amaplanga abantu besebenza iplanga, cupboards, amakhitchi, itile yasebenza mos ngayo mos.
Not really tiled but ke sibe khona kwi-roofing.
Roofing. Okay Brian. Abantu abafuna usipana nawe Brian. Abantu hello. Molweni sister. Akhona kunjani?
Njani?
Abantu abafuna usipana nawe Brian. Ufumaneka kanjani for lo msebenzi?
Yeah, bro, you can search Lutho Gonyela on TikTok, Lutho Gonyela on Instagram, on WhatsApp. In number it's 0633 259424.
Selwaphindele in case.
My number it's 0633 0633 25 9424. Then Lutho Gonyela on Instagram, on TikTok, then Lutho Gonyela still. Then on WhatsApp, that's my number there.
All right. I think bavile mfethu. Okay mfethu, ungumuntu let's say your friend from out of town iza eMthatha, yabo, and ufuna nje just 3 clubs, yabo. Ngingathi hayo, these are the best group spots eMthatha. People should check them out.
Sure, Brian. Now I would go for Golden. Ndiyabacebisa abantu baye kuyapholeka nyani la ndawo uchilwe udla inyama yakho relax.
Yeah.
And also iSoweto
So
And
what?
there's also a club, I think it's new in Tata, like there at Southern Wood, Empire. So abantu bakayazi la Empire. It's small place, but it's nice.
Yeah,
I've been
ne?
there. Yeah.
Okay. Say Southern Wood Empire.
It's a Southern Wood.
Golden,
Golden,
Ipiga
Not
nene,
Crest.
Not Crest.
Then Highness Ilabe Town.
Highness, Mthatha CBD. Alright, mfowethu, ngiyabulela man bra. I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. Mfethu, I hope abantu ababukeleyo they book you for your services. I can tell you a young man who is very self-aware ngento afuna uyenza, and I'm sure nomsebenzi wakho muhle yabo. So well wishes for you my brother. Yeah man, ngiyabulela ngoba uniphi chance. Kodwa nami kuhle mkhulu wami. Shab mkhulu wami nani ngu-Local Connect ZA, kodwa yena ngulunga wakwaMatikane, ngingubhukula umkhwanasi umhlophe wosisiki. Singaba ngabe lisikisiki. But apha ndize kuwe nje size ngomthatha Mchana podcast. Same nje sibuza individuals ngomthatha about who they are and your business, the following nje just to reach another audience. So wena mkhulu ungubani?
Namntakwethu ngInkosinathi Danqokwela. Yeah. Kwethu ube lo uxhanga umhlambo lalentana.
Awu
Lapha eCorhana. Yeah.
So umkhulu wenzani by profession?
By profession I'm a photographer, brandile esikolweni ekhaya urhulumente. Udlale yakhe indima naye imisebenzi ifuna imali kwayona kodwa sifuna imali kwathini yabo. Yeah, so you're going to decide to banana abaqalela wemathina 2021 I think yeah 2021 yeah. Iqala nomjito athi le beni-interview naye. Siqala soyithule we yapha ngoba sibona imali ikhona yabo. Then abafethu baya ngokuza ke ngoku.
Igap ikhona igapanyana.
Yeah, bra kufana nokuhlala nje kwazi ubhekisa oketafini yabo. Yeah.
Mkhulu wami. So you are a photographer by profession. So ndiyacela bafethu nize kuTankolo.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Nize.
Khona apha esekhasi kanti ndiyafumaneka.
Ku socials?
Fumaneka socials WhatsApp the number ku-064 691 2773.
Yes.
Facebook ndiyafumaneka nathi is photography. Mamakhe ndiyafumaneka na ku TikTok.
Yes.
Nathi zimlo ndikhona.
Alright imvile umkhulu ungumuntu ophuma ngaphandle uzapha eMthatha ufuna igroove culture lapha eMthatha yabo. So I just need 3 or 4 groove spots othi ayitsho mama yapha.
To have fun or what?
Yes, to have fun.
Yeah.
To have fun.
Honestly man ngilapho uthanda business ne.
Yes.
So wherever I go funeka ndiyazi uba okay ngizobenefita yabo. Even if I'm on a groove out but funeka ndiye on a business. For an example bekho event eGloweni. I've been there Glowen Square. Yeah bekhona event bakhona Master D obani saya pha took pictures kwaNkohla bekhona event benkhe ndaya bypass yabo.
Bypass
Indawo sizabayo ezobraya.
Hayi man. Kuzama khoma nami ndayithanda ba uthi wena xa uya endaweni awuyeli nje
Maye kuba bomnandi
cha
khona ngabe mntana mzixwaye kanje camera.
Yeah man. So niyazi ke umfethu uyafumaneka nakwezindawo esizimenshinileyo uyafumaneka. Make sure nenamba yakhe nibambile.
064 691 2773. I'm even available for bookings, michato, imigidi, imingcwabo, everything.
Yeah man. Ngiyabulela mkhulu wami. Bele mnandi man mfowethu. Mojo. Njani? Akhona siswami. Igama lami ngulunga wakwaMatikane. Ngingubhukula umkhwanasi umhlophe wosisitha. Singaba ngapha elisikisiki. But kuwe ngoku ndiza with ishow yami ethi Mthatha Mchana. Mthatha Mchana podcast. Basically we go around Mthatha. Sibuza nje individuals ba wena ngubani, wapi, wenzani, yabo, and what do you do for fun? Just simple questions nje ezinjalo yabo siswami. So siswami wena ungubani?
Mina ndingu-Amanda, ifani yami ndinguChiliza, ndinguMarhadebe. Ndingowaselibode but ndihlala apha eMthatha ke full time, ndiphangela eWimpy Circus Triangle. For fun ndithanda ukuthini ndakalelo. For fun ndithanda uzikhupha neetshomi zam. Ndithanda ukudlala i-netball. I'm playing netball. So ndithanda ukudlala i-netball.
Udlalela i-netball P.
Elibode.
Okay.
But ndinqabile ke kuba ndihlala apha eMthatha full time. Then
That one.
Third one. Okay.
Okay. Asiye. Okay. Sister, une friend, let's say une friend from out of town. Is up eMthatha for a weekend. So, ufuna nje just 3 best group spots oqonda by. Chomi singaya apha nalapha.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's Ivory Reserve. It's
Reserve.
a Ngeps. There's Highness, yes.
Right. Highness Tracy CBD, eh?
Yeah, you go CBD. Then there's the Golden Butcher. It's a North Christian.
Okay.
Yeah, sezona
So-
ndaweni thando vibe.
So Matama. So udla nini?
No, ndingiMarhadebe.
Mahadebe. Okay.
Mamthimkhulu, yes.
Okay, sorry. Ngicela ungithuthele nje oMahadebe. Just nje maybe nebazi 4 or 5.
Okay. Orhadebe ngomthimkhulu, obhungani, ondlebenhle zombini, omafuza afulele njengelifu lemvula.
Ngibambile. Okay.
Dilibele njani Papa Ron's Cafe?
Okay, Papa Ron's Cafe. Make sure you catch
Dilibala
that.
njani? Hayibo zindawo endihlala kuzo.
Yeah. Ayo ngabaphathi bamama but ke abandazi lapha.
Okay.
Abandazi lapha. Okay, for abantu nje abafuna ukufollowisha bathi ba support nje cause yakho for ukuba lapha nathi namhlanje. Bakufumana njani?
Ndiyafumaneka on Facebook, ndingu-Amanda Mishi Chiliza. Then on Instagram, ndingu-Amanda Chiliza.
Yes. I hope nisifumene. Inamba ke asiyibuzi kosisi. Nazi. Okay, so ndiyabulela kakhulu. Have a great day, man. Yo,
Tata
ngikhala
Mtshana.
lophiyana, man. Ay.
Tata Mtshana.
Kaphinde.
Zithi Tata Mtshana.
Yeah, man. Bala.
Ngimise ngeodwa mntakwethu.
Kulo wami right?
Sakanjani mntakwethu?
Shapho man yami. Hayi manje uqala lapho ukuthi ubala le mali. Shopra yami. Khoman, igama lami ngilunga Majikane. Ubhugula lo umkhwanazi umhlophe osisithi.
Yo, khwanazi.
Lapha ndizalelwe ngapha ke. Okay, singaba ngapha elusikisiki. Ndizalelwe apha. Ngizalelwe apha eMthatha apha engangelizwe yabo. So ngoku ndiza kuwe ndirepresenta ishow yami kuthiwa Mthatha Mtshana podcast. So aba ke sihamba sibuze individuals lapha eMthatha bangubani, wenzani, if nalo business we try and promote yabo. Ne question ngibala. In fact we have 2 questions today. Yeah. Okay, khoma nami. First question of the day. Ungubani wena mkhulu wami?
Ngudingani lo.
Yeah.
Ubi fan.
Yebo.
Awutoku lo palo khakhago.
Ngatsho.
Hawu. Ngwakho.
Asibambe. Ewe bhuti. Ewe.
Lapha engangelizwe kokuhlala kwami namfithu.
Yes. Isiduko ngitoku. Straight. Gugu straight. Okay. Kandigete. Okay, I got you. Okay, mkhulu wami. Goodman. By profession, ndiyabona khona into kuyenza apha. Qha ndikhalela uxelele viewers zethu ba. What do you do wena?
Mfethu, ubona le mali bendibala mfethu ndiyahlanganisa. Kahle noma sesitratweni.
Yeah.
Hayi, futhi abantu besizwe kuve kuthiwa futhi usiza.
Masithi uyi-photographer. Ngithanda uyikhompa.
Awalikhumshe.
Photographer
Mfethu. Ngalo
Yeah, street photographer. Bakhona abantu nase-England ufike befota apha ogqiba baziposte ezi pictures uve utrend yabo. So mama sushade. Yeah, uyi-photographer la. Okay Brian. Yabona hayi ndibonile namba we-photographer. Abantu ku social media xa bekufuna bakufuna njani?
Chekisha ku Facebook di-influencer, even na ku TikTok
D-influencer.
di-influencer.
So uthi wakhona ngu-D-influencer.
Like DEE.
Okay, DEE.
Then
Then
there's
influencer.
Sure.
Okay. Nivile Alright. So mkhulu wami ungumuntu waseMthatha. Okay, let's say ungumuntu wangaphandle eMthatha. UzeMthatha for a weekend. Uthi ufuna uphola nje. Shine nje 3 group sports. Yabo. So namkhulu wami xa iphuma lo muntu ngamreferishe la.
like uyafika yena akazi ndawo ufuna nimgcwalise indawo
Yeah, nje 3.
first 3
Yeah. Kanye ungasifaka zonke ubuya zathi. Akho ngxaki.
hayi benifake 3 futhi
Yeah.
hayi yokuqala igolden msakwethu
Golden Butcher Block.
butcher futhi
Yeah.
then eyesibini highness
Highness.
Highness.
Highness yatrena le Highness. Okay. Highness.
Ayesithatha iglowen futhi.
Glowen. Okay. Glowen. Nivile Glowen Square. Abangayazi Glowen Square yipi Brian?
Close phela futhi lapha eCokhana.
eCokhana. Okay. Ziyaduma eCokhana.
Ziyaduma.
Mthatha uzikhiphisi vibes. Okay boy. Yabulela Brian. Brian sebenze manje ndiyathemba uThixo uzokwandisela lapho uthatha khona. Yabo. Ningachafi bafethu manje. Yabo. We hope that ngalewe lena siyenzayo nathi nizawukhula.
Mina nithi uthi umbani wena mfethu
Mthatha Mchana podcast but mina local connect ZA. Yabo but xa ungena nje page ni eMthatha Mchana uzabe uzongibona mina la.
so if ngiyangena ngokuTikTok ngingakubona nawe
Yeah, masi so that you follow wish. Yeah, for abantu abaqalayo sibukela namhlanje. Please make sure you follow. Yabo nangu umntakwethu on the spot. Just follow wish. I like this man. Thixo usebenza emfihlakalweni. Let's go. Mthatha Mchana. Just search Mthatha Mchana. I think with the first podcast enje apha Mthatha. Yeah. Nathi siyi street podcast. You know what I mean? There's a way khona. Okay mkhulu wami. Ndiyabulela Brian. Ekusebhuti. Dako.